They will not believe in you. It is after. They will not say, oh, I like your jokes. If you not clap now, if you come and meet me later, I will bore you. Welcome. So very quickly, I want to do something very quickly. Please, if you are here, and you've never, this is not to shame you or anything, you've never tasted pizza before. You've never, don't lie, we're in church. Please come outside, just one person. Oh, first person, just first person. Please don't lie, please don't lie. Is it true? Wait now, is it true? Don't lie, you're in church. Hold on, it's only one, hold it close, one hold it close. It's okay, it's one, you know you one. Okay, there's something I like about pizza. It's not only for you, it's circle. Do you understand? You just take, this is my body, which is given unto you. Alright, please, oh yeah, go and get. Alright, now, no, don't worry, the two of you. But are you serious? I want to be, it's not that I'm nice, I just want to be in the history. Like the first person that bought me pizza is one connection like that. That's just no, yeah, I love breaking record. Please help me get it for them. Hey Joe, you're go and meet Mr. Okay. Go and meet somebody, they will direct you. Sir, POS. Oh yeah, fast. Help me. You need the password. Make I tell you now, you don't need job. Wait till we see your people. Then you know just they go as well. I'm sorry, I'm coming all the way from Agege, and there are some things you don't do in Agege. Trust me, there are some things you don't do. But we are here to enjoy ourselves. So please, ladies and gentlemen, it's just laugh. And I want everybody to laugh. Just laugh at your neighbor, laugh at yourself. Just do that. I'm not a comedian that will threaten you that if you don't laugh, no, don't worry. It will come naturally. Do you understand? Just let it go. Release yourself in the spirit. Do you understand? Enjoy yourself. Do you understand? So look at your neighbor and laugh. Do you understand? Just laugh small. Do you get? Laugh at your neighbor. Do you understand? Laugh at your neighbor. Now, let's go. Do you know that this country is the only country that we don't really believe there is COVID-19? Chebi? Until somebody cough beside you. Have you noticed that? People will tell you, there's no COVID anywhere, especially Yoruba. You just cough beside them. The way they will look at you, you'll be like, Kinimoshi. Just like, COVID-19, just cough. You just see people, the first thing they will do is, they look for their nose mask. While they are adjusting their nose mask, they will not be looking at you with bad eyes. So if you now ask them, mommy, Shebi, there's no COVID. So you want me to know through you, Abi? Right? Now, because of those things, when you cough, people will care for you. Do you know, even if you sneeze, when you just, people, without begging them, once you just cough, they'll just be like, hey, Ekpele, when you get home, look for Tom Tom and Kola Nut. Eat it together. Oh my Lord. Do you understand? They will give you suggestion. That's before COVID. Now, you dare not cough beside somebody, especially somebody that is angry. If you cough, you hear. No, some will even tell you, where's your nose mask? They will now start telling you that you are the problem of this country. Now, they will start it. You know you have cough. Ejo, any long time nose mask. Oh yeah, but. Now, you know there are some cough that will not just come once. If you want to start, you see all those cough that look like sneeze. Some people be like, yeah, we are here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I discovered that this year is very awesome. Ups and downs, everything. But I noticed that there are a lot of things that can frustrate you in this life. You do not believe. Number one, let me start from the church. Do you know that something used to happen after service? Media department, they will snap pictures and they will upload it on church Facebook site. I don't know, maybe you noticed. Do you know the pain you have to go through to check through all the 3,480 pictures and you do not see yourself here? Okay, now I'm saying it now. You people are looking at me like, what you want to frustrate you? Do you know the pain? Let me tell you, some of us, we have started pretending in church. You will not worship until you come. Let me use this joke. Come on, photographer, come. Now, they are singing worship. Here I am to worship. Do like you are walking. At least the green house service. Here I am to bow down. Oh yeah, be looking at me. Come close to me. Now, the moment you notice that it's coming to your side, you will change your position. You see something like, here I am to say. Now, if you see flash, you know, if they flash you will notice it. Do you know? Once you see flash, you will change your position. If you are very charismatic, you will kneel down. You just go. Now, you just see notification on Facebook. Church has posted picture. You're like, my WhatsApp status. So you don't start from one. They used to start with the church pastor. Mama is fine. You will save some. Now, when you get to 3,000, you don't see yourself. Now, the only one that look like you is your back. Not like, just save the lane. We now continue. When you get to 3,400, you now be seeing car park. In your mind, you now be saying that, so am I not living thing? No, keep moving lane. You just continue. You know that it can frustrate you. Now, when you now get to 300 down, I said 3,462. You now get to 3,460. You do not see yourself. That thing will now start. Now, the moment you want to scroll, see bigger frustration. Your data will just tell you you have 200 MB left. Now, if you now see, maybe the last one, you now saw that part when you did like this. You just save it. WhatsApp status, yeah. Caption, you don't want to you just see. In his presence. Right? I can't lie. Oh, now this is what they do. We're just starting. I did here for you. We're just starting. It's on a slow level. You understand? It's just laugh. You must laugh. If you are still here, you are not laughing. Don't worry, you will get there. You get there. Under this anointing, you will laugh. Do you understand? Now, another thing that can frustrate you. I'm telling you, this one. I love this joke so much. Because hey, don't block my audience. Yeah. See, let me tell you one thing that can frustrate you. Come. No, don't worry. Okay, you have paid. Fast. Wow.
I don't debit you. I don't.
Another thing that can frustrate you, you should go and withdraw. ATM. The moment you put it inside, you saw unable to dispense cash. You went there on Friday, 4:30, unable to dispense cash. You collected your card. On your way going, you just got this alert. If you're like me, you will not check it fast, but you'll be taking evil. Just like, what's messaging me? Once you bring it out, if you are using GT, GT, ha! You just like, oh no. Friday. 4:30, close. You will not have to open it, you just like. Once you open it, now, it now depends on how much you have there. If you have 100,000 above, what are you doing? But you know that last card, and in your face, Sapa is already looking at you like, he does like, so is this bag that they want to use to spoil my weekend? I will spoil their Monday. I mean, you've experienced that in before. Now, things that can frustrate you. Another thing that can frustrate somebody, if you don't use chloroquine, you are now having malaria. The nurse is now doing eye service. You now need to use chloroquine. Do you know what chloroquine is? For those of you that don't know, let me tell you. Chloroquine is an agent. I don't know, maybe it's agent of darkness or agent of destruction. It comes with itching. Now, if it is normal itching, it's okay. Do you know that if you want to eat your body and you are eating like this, wait, if you are eating like this is not eating. Do you hear? Chloroquine will never come to where you can touch easily. How can I be scratching the middle of my head? Do you don't understand? How can I be scratching this place? You don't understand all this stress? How can you be scratching your spine? Now the one I hate most. Yeah. You don't understand? Now let's get to that part of frustration. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a particular agent. It's a non-living thing. See, this thing can frustrate you no matter your status, no matter how much you have. I'm talking about one special agent. Let me show you. Don't worry. By the time you see it, you will know. The water is already frustrating me like this. Because that's how it used to start. You see this thing? Ladies and gentlemen, I've gone far and wide. You see this thing they call charger? If it is trying to frustrate you, let me explain how it will start. Your phone will be low, 15%. Right? Don't worry, I'm sweating. That's the work of this one. What do you think? You think it's fashion? I sweat for a living. That's what I do. Don't worry. So far you're laughing. Don't worry. Now, you see this thing? Charger. Once your phone is at 20%, your mind will be like, what's the problem? Let me continue. Especially if you're on Instagram or TikTok. TikTok drain. I don't know how it used to drain something like GP. You get normally Facebook. This is how Facebook used to drain your battery. Facebook be like, WhatsApp. That one be like. But please, Twitter does that. Twitter will come again. But ladies and gentlemen, these two particular applications, you see this thing, because you continue to scroll, it has no end. You see that thing they call Instagram? It doesn't drop. It doesn't. You see something like. Do you understand? But you see those of you that are on TikTok, others, you want to chill with it. As you are chilling, the thing is going like, if you hold your battery like this. So now, 15%, you will now see your battery change. It will change to red. 10%, be like, where's my charger? And this time around, it's around 9 o'clock at night. So just like, let me charge. Frustration will start. The charger that you use in the morning, you will plug it. You will put your phone. You will hear one particular sound. Thorough. It means it's charging, right? Before you know, drop it, you hear? Through. In your mind, you'll be like, King Obele. You will put it back. Thorough. Now, later, the team will now be playing Candy Crush with you. Thorough. Through. Thorough. Through. Thorough. Through. Thorough. Through. You will now pause. You see, not living to know. Can he talk? Does he have life? It will start. You now be like, you will speak your dialect, then now at that point, remember 10%. Now you are at 6%. You will now be like, let me try. You will start again. You will now think that it's not the mouth, it's this place. You will bring it out. You will now do something that is never in the history of engineering. Once you put it back, now that priest, it used to work. Plug it. Put your phone. You just hear. Throw. Take one step. You hear. Through. Now you'll be angry. You will now be talking while you want to charge your phone. Just be like, whoa, yeah, your charger last. You will now hold your phone like you have quarrel. You will now start binding. You will plug it again. You hear throw. Just move away. You hear throw. At that point, you are angry. You now be like, you see your phone. You will now incline it. You put it by the wall. You will not put it on the floor. You just put it to stand like this. You now press it. Some people are very, very creative. They will use their shoe to block it. You will know. I'm telling you. At that point, it will be charging. From 4%, you will get 6% again. Be like, nice one. At that point, somebody will now open the door. You will now start again. See frustration. Now, finally, the phone will now decide to start charging. The biology just is 2%. Once you now say, throw, that time you cannot go, you will stand like war. It's charging in your face. You'll be like, oh, you will only 5%. Once it gets to 5%, NEPA will now take light. Frustration will start. Now, I'm a son of grace. I've experienced grace. Yeah. Because it's not easy. Somebody from Agege. Some of you don't know what I'm talking about. But you should know because you have neighbors here. Agege is the only place. Those ones too, they can frustrate you. Because it's only in Agege. Let me describe my area. It's only in Agege that you just see somebody just wake up. And just be bouncing. Nobody's fighting with them. You know what I'm saying? You be like, ẹ̀gbọ́n kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ilé kò sí ọkàn. Mo kàn wọ́n mú ni. You don't understand? Like, one. Now, I'm a son of a pastor. My dad, thank you. But my dad is, imagine, my dad is a Deeper Life pastor. But he stays in Agege. Look, see, let me tell you, that spirit of that Agege, it's his spirit. Me too, I have it. You understand? I have it. Do you understand? But it used to come out when you are angry. Now, the only way you can provoke my dad is holiness preacher to the core. The only thing that can provoke my dad is when he's preaching. Your phone should now ring. It's not just ringing, you should now stand up. You want to pick the call. No, you will see my daddy Agege side. I'm telling you. Now, this is how, let me explain. My dad is preaching. Beloved, without holiness, no man shall see the Lord. Brethren, now, we have 3 points to consider. Point 1, holiness without which. Turn your Bible with me to 2 Peter, chapter 2, verse 9. Yeah, you're clapping. Yeah, that time my daddy saying 2 Peter, chapter 2, verse 9. Let your phone ring. See, the person that is talking calmly, he will start opening his Bible. 2 Peter? Maybe you're not using iPhone. The Agege thing will come out. You see, 2 Peter. Now that time he's looking for the area. 2 Peter, chapter 2, verse 9. The phone is still ringing. At that time, it's not in New Testament. 2 Peter, chapter 2. But my dad will never look at the Bible at that time. Now, it will now start like this. There's no wristwatch in his hand. Just 2 Peter, chapter 2. If you have Agege eyes, you'll be seeing something like. In my mind, I'll be like, that is getting warm. That is getting warm. 2 Peter chapter 2, verse 9. At that point, guess where he is? You know, Bible used to have dictionary. It's already at the dictionary. Now, once you get to the cover, I'll be like, 2 Peter. At that point, you just stand up. You want to go and pick your cup. You are getting with you get sorrow. My dad will be like, sorrow. The thing will just enter him. 2 Peter. The moment you stand up, you'll be like, Edo. You see, Sherry Berry wine. Just stand up like that. It's God that is calling you, Abby. We told you, silence your phone. It's even there. Silence your phone. Go, we are preaching holiness. You want to pick your cup. Don't worry. There's no problem. I will help you. Usher, please. Where are the children? Where are their children? Hello, we want children church. You are wonder. I don't see this. No, see, it's only people that want to make heaven that want to. I'll give account. My dad will not be giving justification for his anger. I'll give account in heaven. What am I going to say? The time we want to talk about you want to go to. But now, it will now switch back. For one guy, just say, 2 Peter. Thank you. I did it. Now, another thing in Agege that you don't know. I'm angry with the particular person that invented Emma Bino. You see the person that invented this phone? This is the only person that is behind the reason why nowadays we don't get filled up at Nigerian parties anymore. What happened to the day that they used to serve with our big plate? Yes, now that's how they used to serve. They'll bring the big plate, they'll use another plate to serve it, right? Now somebody out of eye service and packaging. Who sent you? No, wait, who sent you? Nowadays we are not eating our rice. You know, like rice that is spread. You know that rice is looking like it. You want to swim. Do you understand? It will be like beach. Some rice you want to fall. You know, like. Do you remember when you want to eat? You start arranging beside this person spoiled the form. I don't like this person. No. See, as a matter of fact, people in Agege are looking for them. Now, guess what happened? You see all those Agege boys that used to help people arrange chairs. They were arranging the chairs. At the end of the day, all of a sudden they just saw that they are serving food. I just said something like, the guy said, kilo shele po, kilo shele. Yes, madam you. I was like, He said, was she be talking good? Oh yes, sorry, yes, sir. And I don't know why I think he used to do that. They will just say, they will not keep their mouth shut, like they will not say anything. There you. But trust again, we know they carry last though. Those guys, they used to carry bag. They were like, Ketra, we are the boys. We arrange. Yeah, that everybody sit down. Share you get. So now, one shot. So the Ketra, like, oh, you guys did well. All those fine caterers, you guys did well. Don't worry, I'll take care of you. Then she brought out this thing. Once she brought it out, they were like, Mama, calm down. They now ask very creative set of people, Mama, why this phone? The woman now explained, Emoko, is error of packaging. So we want our food to remove shape. Do you understand? So that it will be presentable. Oh yes, I said, Mama, I like that presentation. Maybe food show remove shape. I have a clear suggestion. Oh no. Mama, I want to see. Oh my, your shape. Hey, just stay up there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I used to be in the choir before. I sing well. I was once in choir. I used to be in the choir. Hold on, don't copy what I'm saying. Who is that? Who is that? That's my voice. Okay, it's playing. Sorry, I don't enter the Agigi spirit. I hear that voice. Now, sir, I want to explain the reason why I left choir. But now, I don't sing anymore. I sing a good part now. That part that I sing, only few of us on earth can sing that part. I don't sing tenor, soprano, it's for the general public. I sing a very unique part now. You know the part? The part is called silence. Those of you that used to go to church very well, there's a particular point that even pastor used to recognize our part. Yeah, let there be silence in the hall. Now can you begin to worship God in silence? That's our time. Just see something like even the Bible said the children of Israel, they were shouting. God did not answer. But God to the point when their mouth was sealed, they started worshiping God in silence. Yeah. Even God said, what is God big me? You understand? So, oh God. That part is always, see, if you are praying and you are shouting and it's like it's not working, bing. Yeah, serious, I'm telling you, don't cry, just be doing like, God. But when you are doing that, you'll be putting the headline. Never be. Now, if the problem is let you explain your thinking, God, New Year, it will work, try it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, hey, as Christians, sorry, I don't just crack jokes, so I teach too. So you learn, and I preach. So laugh at the jokes, you get the message. It's not long, sorry. I don't need this one, actually. Come on, help me. Thank you. Thank you for laughing, thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you see this particular thing, mic stand. This is one of the instruments that made me resign from choir. Now, if you are a chorister here, learn. You see, when you want to brush your mouth, let me tell you, it's not in the brushing of teeth. If you like, wash your teeth like rug. If you don't wash this particular part, it will still smell. It's tongue. Hey, Emma, wash tongue. It's not good. Why are you causing other people to fall? With this thing I'm telling you is the reason why I left. Because in my church we don't use drums. You know, we don't use drums. The only thing we use is keyboard and our kind of song. Very sensitive song. It's not the song. If you want to sing in our church and you are doing all this, they will sack you. The lyrics must be clear. I'll give a break. Now we sing this song like it's bitter. Do you understand? Now they used to share us 2 to 1 mic stand. And because we don't dance, you cannot face the audience. This is how you will face. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this particular joke is a personal experience. The person they share me with is the same height as me. Mouth to mouth, nuts to nuts, eyes to eyes. And remember, you cannot dance. If you can dance, you can dodge. Right? Now, this particular guy is suffering from one ailment. It's not mouth odor. No, mouth odor is too small. It's called mouth odor. Yes, because if you have mouth odor, if those that have mouth odor, it's only when I'm close to you. And those that have mouth odor, I don't know what is wrong with them. They used to whisper. Yes. That is when you know. But this guy, his own is mouth odor. It means that it has a repelling force. It can come and meet you. So you don't need to stand close to him. If you are standing at the back, the thing will just. Then you are just be like, she brought this today. You know that kind of level. Now this is the guy I was standing with. Hey, sorry, eh? Okay, the laugh is stroking. I'm sorry. It's the talent. I want people to see me. Hey, Joe. Sorry. Back to our business. The title of the song is "If You Miss Heaven, You Will Cry." Now, how we introduce that song that if you miss heaven, you will cry, and people will not be serious. So immediately we announced that title, the whole church, everywhere was silent. Wow, if you miss heaven, you will cry. Keyboardists have started. We stood. I was looking at him. I didn't even know. I was carried away by the song. Then choir, you know, we used to start with this thing. We used to own the song. Do you know?
Yes, yes.
We now started. That is where my problem started from. We started like. Instantly, you know when it's, as in I felt the heat. But this guy has one particular, apart from the mouth, oh no, he has eye service. Because in the room, they are not saying that we should shake our mouth. Do you know that if there's odor and you are shaking it, oh mama pussy, it's like it's not warming it. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we started singing the song. If you miss heaven, you cry. You see, at that extension of cry, I was already in tears. Now, everybody in church saw me and they were like, oh my God, what a song. I refused to miss heaven. People were praying, they did not know. I was dying. Now, this is how I know that there was a problem. I could hear a spirit call me. But this is how I know it's a spirit. Because the spirit was not calling my nickname. I did not hear MCD. It was calling my real name. Now, second point. The spirit was echoing. I could hear something like, Adiola, la, 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 la. Adiola, la, la, la. I did not answer the spirit. It was not going like, Adiola, la, la, la. I was like, speak, Lord. I just said, it's not Lord. We are your inner man. We are dying. So I said, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I just said, there's one inner spirit that I know. It's also staying in Agege. Why the other one was trying to have conversation? I just said, Kule. So I came to my spirit. I went on my knees. Then we continue. If you miss heaven. Do you know I said this guy has eye service? You know? That was how he melts down. If this guy on his knees is facing his front, so maybe I'll go leave my for him. He now put me. That day I resigned totally, never to sing. I still get time. Yes, okay, let me sound with this. Let me sound with this. Oh yeah. Now, no. It's no. It was no. When they call me that time, they did not clap. Oh yeah, clap for me now. It's true. Motivational speaker, at times they can be correct. They say result cancel insult. Now, they call me the Indian guy for some reasons. Now I'm thinking, I have plenty things to talk about. This guy say I should prepare for 1 hour. I'm like, oh yeah, I can do it. It's just like that guy, when he's singing, you see he's enjoying it. This one. And I like my job. I studied mechanical engineering. I finished with almost 2-1. No, almost first class. Almost, yeah. Almost. Not first class, 2-1. Now I'm holding a microphone. I do not know why, but I know one of my purposes in life is to make people laugh. And comedy is just one of the tools. Do you understand? So please enjoy this part. Now, I love the Indians a lot for so many reasons, except for when you want to work with them. Please, if you are here and you're having plans to work with the Indians, Joe, go and learn trade. Because if you plan to use 70 years, Indian they can minus 50. The way they use people. Because they are the only company that will ask you, I don't really care about your certificate. Can you work? Let them know. Because you will work. Other things used to see in Bollywood movie that they will do small work, they will dance. That was what I was thinking. I went to do IT, Indian company, with his own selling. In my mind, I'm a dojo. 12, I'm a dojo. 3, I'm a dojo. It was 5 o'clock. I was now asking, sir, please, when are we going to dance? The guy look at me. Oh, stupid IT boy. Where is dancing? Where is dancing? You think life is all about dance? Fuck. The next day I did not come. Now, just think about it. Our song. Yeah. Now, imagine very soon, I know, very soon, the gospel is going to spread over. Even Indians. During COVID-19, they were throwing their gods away. And okay, you people don't follow. They were throwing their gods away because they said, no, people die. So I know that the main God is coming to that land to take it. So, you know, now I'm not thinking from my Nigerian side, how will their Sunday service will look like? How will their Sunday service look like? From the Bollywood experience. So, now, let's use some of our songs. For example, you know, every song, every praise and worship song, there will be worship, then there will be praise, right? So they will now use one of our songs, this Nara, the Indian version. Are you there? How will Nara look like, Indian version? This one, nobody will dance, it's worship. Enjoy. It's just going to be drama. There's no time. Let's not do it. Now, worship sign. If you're conversant with Bollywood movie, you know they like slow motion. See, Yoruba movie, if they slap you, you can die. But not in Indian movie. If Indians slap you, and you go like this, it can take the next 30 minutes for you to turn back. Please play that Nara small. That Nara. Imagine. They slap you. Whoa! Interview. Before he turn the neck, you now see intermission. Intermission should be. Now, the second song, worship, praise. They now call Tope Alabi to come and sing Oluwa Etobi in India. Are you there? Slow motion, play.
Wow. Wow. Let's get our hands together for MCT. Let's get our hands together for MCT.